Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my channel. Here, Mr. Adi. Today, I'm going to start the third chapter of a new course of Pearson. So, the name of this chapter is Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patient. So, if you want to get 100% grade in this assignment, you must follow this video step by step, and you will get 100% grade in this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MyLab Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also. Let's start this assignment. So basically in this assignment, 30 steps are given to perform this project. Let's move on to step number 1. So our step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name with Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patient. Creator has automatically added your name, last name to the beginning of the file name. So basically in step number 1, it says that go into your course and download your instruction and answer file. So I have already downloaded my instruction and answer file. This is our instruction file and this is our answer file. So go into your course and download these two files. So step number 1 is done. Now step number 2. Step number 2 is weekly blood pressure reading have been entered for sample patient. You want to create clustered column chart to compare the reading for the month. After you create the chart, you will move it to the chart sheet that will be used to contain several charts for the easy reference. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this. Create a clustered column chart using the range A2 up to C2 on the Excel sheet. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A1 in the chart sheet. So basically, in step number 2, it says that create a clustered column chart, use the range or take the range A2 up to C7. So first we will create a chart. So we will copy this range or you can select the range directly, but I am copy this chart, copy this range and will paste this range in the name box, Control V and press enter. So this ranges are automatically selected. Okay, or you can select this range by yourself. Okay, next we create a clustered column chart. So go to insert tab and in chart group we will just click right recommended chart and then go to all chart and this is our in column, this is our clustered column chart. Okay, just click right OK. So our chart is inserted now. Next is cut the chart and paste it in cell A1 in the chart sheet. So this is our chart sheet. So we will cut this chart Control X. Okay, cut this chart and go to chart sheet and just display the cell A1 and Control V, paste this chart here. Okay, so step number 2 is also done. Now step number 3. Step number 3 is the chart needs a descriptive, easy to read title. So change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April and bold the title. So we will copy this chart title name and we will given the chart title name here. Okay, first we will select this and then go to formula bar and just Control V and press enter. Okay, or you can write this. So step number, and also we can bold the title. So first we will select this title, Control A, and just click that bold. So step number 3 is done. Now step number 4. Step number 4, you realize the chart might be easier to read as a bar chart. So change the chart type to clustered chart. So basically in step number 4, we will change the chart type. So this is our clustered column chart and we will change this chart into clustered bar chart. Okay, so select this chart. Okay, and then go to chart design and just click that change chart type and then go to bar and we will just, it's already selected and we will just change this chart into clustered bar chart. Okay, just click at OK. So this chart is changed into clustered bar chart. So step number 4 is also done. Now step number 5. Step number 5 is you will increase the chart size to make it easier to read on a display screen set for height. So we'll change the height of the chart. So just select this chart and then click at format, and we will change the height to 4. This is our chart height, and we will do this 4. So step number 5 is also done. Now step number 6. Our step number 6 is you want to remove the additional dates display on the category axis. Select the date on the axis and display the format axis task pane in the axis options category. Select the text axis type to remove the extra dates from the chart. So basically in step number 6, we will select the date on the axis. Okay, so first we will, this is our date axis. So first we will select this. Okay, and we will just go to, okay, so first we will select this axis, date axis, and just right click, and we will just click at format axis. Okay, so format axis is open now. Next, in the axis option category, select the text axis type to remove the extra date from the chart. So basically in this step it says that because there are duplicate dates, so we will remove the duplicate dates. So we will just go to axis option, and in axis type we will change the axis type. Which one axis type? Text axis. Okay, so just check here, duplicate dates are removed now. Okay, so step number 6 is completely done. So step number 7. So step number 7 is you want to arrange the date with the oldest date on the top. Display the date in reverse order on the category axis so that this date is at the top of the vertical axis. Which one? Date 412027. So basically in step number 7 it says that, so just check here, our oldest, our newest date is at the top. So we will change this date and we will reverse this date at the bottom. Okay, yes. So we will, so axis, so that the, okay, so we will just select this axis, date axis, and then go to axis. Okay, and we will change the, okay, so in axis position we will change, and the option, which one option? Select the option category in reverse order. Okay, on the category, okay, display the date in reverse order. Okay, on the category axis. Okay, so we'll just select this one. Our newest, our oldest date is at the top now. Okay, so step number 7 is done. Now step number 8. So step number 8 is, next you will create a line chart depicting the heart rate reading for the month. This chart will be help for the patient see trend over time. Create a line chart using the range A3 up to A7 and D3 up to D7 on the April chart. Move the line chart to the start in cell I1 in the chart sheet. So basically in step number 8, first we will create a line chart and we will use the range, which one range? A3 up to A7 and D3 up to D7. So first we will select the range A3 up to A7, A3 up to A7, A3 up to A7, and next is D3 up to D7. So we will press the control from your keyboard and we will select the second range D7 up to D3 up to D7. Okay. So after this we will create a line chart. Okay. So these both range are selected now. Then go to insert, then recommended chart, and just click at all chart and then go to line, and we will create a which one line, create a line chart. Okay, this one. Okay, just click that. Okay, so our line chart is inserted now. Next, move the line chart to the start in cell I1 in the chart sheet. Okay, so we will cut this chart, Control X, and then go to chart sheet and just click at I1, and we'll paste this chart here in I1 cell. Okay. Okay. Yes. So step number 8 is also done. Now step number 9. Step number 9 is you decided to adjust the size of the line chart. So set 3.5 height and 5 width. So basically in step number 9 we will change the height and width of the chart. So height is 3.5. Select this chart. Okay. And just click at format. Close this format chart area. Select this chart, then go to format, and we'll change this height 3.5 and our width is 5. It's already 5. Okay. So step number 9 is done. Now step number 10. Step number 10 is change the line chart title to heart rates in April and bold the title. So we will copy this title. Okay, and we will change the chart title name. Okay. So select this and then go to formula bar and Control V, paste this text here and press enter. You can write. Okay. So and also we will bold the title. So first we will select this and then go to home tab and just click at bold. So step number 10 is done. Now step number 11. Step number 11 is select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra dates from the line chart. So basically in step number 11, first we will select the date and then we will select the date and select the text axis. So basically in step number 11, we will select the date and text axis to remove extra date from the line chart. Again, we will select the date axis, right click and just click at format axis. So just check here, there are most of these dates are duplicates. So we will remove the duplicate record. Okay. Duplicate mean remove the extra dates. Okay. So select this and right click and format axis. Again, I will do this. Just select this date axis, right click and just click at format axis. Okay. And then go the down and okay. Yes. Okay. So we'll change the axis type. Which one? X axis. Okay. So extra dates are removed now. So step number 11 is done now. Okay. Yes. Close this. So step number 11 is done. Now step number 12. Step number 12 is you will change the font color for the axis to make the chart easier to read. Apply black text one font color to the value axis and to the category axis on the line chart. So basically in step number 12, we will apply the black text one font color to the value axis and to the category axis. So first we will select the value axis. This is our value axis, and also select the category axis. So select this one and press Control from your keyboard and select also this one. Okay, so first we will select the value axis, and then go to which one? Black. Apply black text one font color. So select this value axis, then go to font color and we will apply the black text one, and select category axis, then go to font color and we will apply the black text one. So step number 12 is done. Now step number 13. Step number 13 is now you want to apply a gradient fill color to the plot area to soften the image. Apply light gradient accent 1 gradient fill color to the plot area on the line chart. So basically in step number 13 we will apply the light gradient accent 1 gradient fill color to the plot area. So first on which chart? Line chart. Okay, so first we will select the line chart and we will select the plot area of the line chart. This is our plot area. Okay, so select this plot area and we will apply the light gradient acid 1 gradient fill color. Okay, so right click and format plot area. Okay, just open this fill, and after this we will click that gradient fill. Okay, and we will apply the which one? A light gradient accent 1. Okay, so just click that preset gradients. Okay, arrow and light gradient accent 1, this one. Okay, and close the format plot area. Okay, now so step number 13 is done. Now step number 14. Step number 14 is data label provide exact detail. In this case, adding data labels will provide extra heart rates. Add data label in the above position on the line chart. So basically in step number 14 we will add the data label in the above position on the line chart. So we will select the chart area and just click the chart element, and we will add the data label, and then click add arrow and we will select here more option. Okay, data label in the above position on the line chart. Okay, so this is our line chart. Okay, data label, sorry, data tablets. So we will add the data label, this one data label, and just click that arrow and we will just click that above. Okay, it's already above. So step number 14 is done. Now step number 15. Step number 15 is the April worksheet contains a range that identifies how many times in the month the patient had normal and high blood pressure. You decide a pie chart will help the patient visualize the data bar. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this. Create a 2D pie chart using the range F3 up to F44 and H3 up to H4 in the April worksheet. Move the chart to the start in cell A22 in the chart sheet. So basically step number 15, we will create a clustered column bar chart and we will use the we will take the two ranges. Which one ranges? F3 up to F4 and H3 up to H4. So first we will select these two range. So go to April worksheet and we'll take the range F3 up to F4 and next is H3 up to H4. Press Ctrl from your keyboard, H3 F3 up to F4 and press Ctrl from your keyboard and H3 up to H4. After this we will create a 2D pie chart. So go to insert tab and just click that insert pie and we will create a this one. This is our 2D pie chart. Okay, okay, Just wait, pi, and this is our yes. Yes, this is our okay. So this is our pie chart. And next is move the chart to start in cell A22 in the chart sheet. So we'll cut this chart, Control X, go to chart, worksheet, and we will paste this chart in A22 here. Display cell A22 and Control V, paste this chart here. So step number 15 is completely done. Step number 16. Step number 16 is change the chart title to percentage of normal and high blood pressure and apply black text one font color to the title. So we'll copy this title, Control C, and we will change the chart title name. Select this and then go to formula bar and just Control V, okay, and press enter. You can write this name and apply the black text one font color. So select this, Control A, select this title name, chart title name, and then go to, and then we will apply the black text one font color. Okay. So go to font color and we apply the font color black text one. Okay. This is our black text one, this one. Okay. So step number 16 is also done. Now step number 17. Step number 17 is removing the legend can reduce extraneous element in the chart, adding data labels, keep descriptions within each slice. So the main point is from here. Remove the legend, add category name and percentage data label in the best fit option. Remove the value data label. So basically in step number 17, first we will remove the legend from the chart. So select the chart area and then click add chart element and we will remove the legend. Okay. This is our legend, so we will remove the legend. Okay. Next, add category name and percentage data label in the best fit option. Category name and percentage data label. Okay. Just click add data label arrow and then best fit option. Okay, yes. And just go to more option and we will select the which one option and category name, and next is I think percentage. Yes, percentage, and in the best fit option already selected, and remove the value data label. So we'll remove the value. Okay, and I already selected the best fit option. Okay, so this point is completely done. So step number 17 is done now. I have done almost 50 to 60% of this assignment, almost 60% of this assignment. Okay, so if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MyLab Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and Outlook also, and I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.